This app is editing my video. It can actually locate the speaker, and based on where the speaker is, it can do my edits. You can see the little logo of this app looking for me, and when it finds me, it says found the speaker. Additionally to this, it could use loads of AI tools like hyperframes, like remotions, like text behind the character, like zooming, sound effects, and even music. Now the best part about this, it can even take your own music, your own sound effects. For example, it has a bunch of sound effects that you can literally either choose from or replace. You can even add your own sound effects that the AI will be able to use whenever it feels like it. You literally click on add your own, or you can replace one of the ones included. So as you can see, it's adding some effects over the video. You can see they pop up and are dropped onto the timeline. As you can see, the timeline was just a video of me that I just uploaded about Fable 5 being extended till July 12th, and it's creating B-roll and putting it on the timeline. Now when I started, this timeline was just my video, as you can see on the video main clips track, but now there's subtitles, zooms, sound effects, and even music, and it's taken the breaking news theme for this specific edit. Let's listen to it a little bit. Let's see what it's done so far. Let's check it out. Breaking news, Fable 5 was supposed to be taken away today, July the 7th, but just a few minutes ago, Anthropic have decided to extend the deadline to July 12th. So all of you who are planning on staying up all night to use up all your Fable 5 credits, you can sleep well tonight because we have another 7 days. If you don't believe me, check out this message that popped up. Alright, I don't like the subtitles, to be honest, so I'm going to actually replace them with, there's templates which you can choose from. I'm going to choose the Anton, and I'm going to actually place it right next to my head over here, and it's actually going to be able to show subtitles behind the main character. Now when you switch that on, it actually analyzes the footage so that it will come up from behind the character. So I'm actually going to apply that right now, but then I'm going to wait till this is done, and after that this video is basically going to be ready for publishing, and it's going to be automatically published to all my channels. You can see more and more hyperframes effects being created, and you can prompt your edit using this app. You can literally type a prompt in here and it will prompt whatever you type in here, it will do. You can type make cut only the most viral moments, add a search bar video effect, anything you want, anything you type in here, it will literally do it. There's also a one-click video edit button, and when you click on that, it just edits your video entirely in one click. See you in the next video. Bye for now.